this problem, you're being asked to find the derivative of y equals the cosine of x plus 2 times the cosine of x over 2. Well, we're going to have to use two rules here. First, we're going to need to use the product rule. So remember, to find the derivative of a product rule, so let's say we're multiplying x times y, its derivative will be x times the derivative of the second part, which is y prime, plus the second function y times the derivative of the first. So in this case, the cosine of x plus 2 will be our x, and the cosine of x over 2 is our y. So if we need to find the derivative, first we're going to take our first function, the cosine of x plus 2, and then we have to find the derivative of the cosine of x over 2. Well, remember, the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So first, we're going to have negative sine of x over 2. But now we have to use the chain rule because now we have to find the derivative of x over 2. Remember, x over 2 is just like 1/2 x. And now we can use our power.